Tech Jungle. The place for you in the jungle makes you struggle.
With ChatGPT disrupting the information-seeking industry, almost every tech giant, from Meta to Google, is hopping on the chatbot craze. And now, Snapchat has hopped aboard the bandwagon, too. If you're wondering how you too can join in on the Snapchat AI, then this is the video for you. We look at how to get it, what is it, and what do you need to know before using it. How to get it. First and foremost, let's get the obvious bit out of the way. You must have the Snapchat app installed on your phone. Download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you've already done that, or you're a seasoned Snapchat user, follow the instructions right here. Tap on the chat icon on the bottom taskbar. After that, look at the top and tap on the My AI option. Here you can read about what My AI is. Hit Accept on the Say Hi to My AI window. When you accept it, you can start typing and talking with your new AI chatbot. What is it? Now we got it and know how to use it, but what is My AI actually? My AI is a chatbot accessible to Snapchatters, providing various capabilities during chat conversations. It can respond to intriguing trivia questions, provide recommendations for the ideal gift on your best friend's birthday, assist in planning a hiking trip for an extended weekend, or suggest delightful dinner ideas. What to know before using it? Here are some practical information you should know before using My AI. My AI's responses may contain biases, inaccuracies, or potentially harmful content. It is always advisable to verify answers independently and refrain from sharing confidential information. Snapchatters can provide feedback on My AI by long pressing on a response to share preferences for future improvements. My AI is powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT technology, customized with safety measures for Snapchat. When sharing content generated by My AI, it is recommended to disclose the involvement of AI. Interactions with My AI are stored until deletion, and users have the option to delete content within 24 hours. Avoid using My AI for generating inappropriate or harmful content and refrain from sharing confidential or sensitive information. If you want to see a video on how to delete data from My AI, then comment it down below. Data shared with My AI, including location if shared with Snapchat, is used to provide relevant responses and improve the Snapchat experience, including personalized ads. I hope that helped you get a better overview to what My AI is and how to use it. If it helped, then remember to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Maybe you can use these videos in the outro. See you in the next one.